They said slow down, we said no. They said fit in, we said never. They said survive.